Hi kids, it's Pastor John here from Noddfa Church. It is great to see you all again. This is just a short video to wish you and your wonderful friends and family a very happy Christmas. As you can see, I'm stood outside of the big arch Abersucken, where every year we host a carol service where over 1,000 people come to hear all about Jesus, to remember his birth and to sing his praise with all the carols that we know and love. Sadly, because of COVID-19, we can't meet here as usual this year, but the good news is we're still hosting the carol service, but this time online, live from the arch. So we ask that all of you join us from the safety of your homes and tune in to Facebook Live, Noddfa Church, 7 p.m. on the 20th of December, and join in with this community event. Help us bring hope into homes this COVID Christmas. And to encourage you to join us for this carol service, in partnership with Bonafon, we would like to give you all a gift, which is this fun Christmas quiz pack. And in it, you all have a candy cane. And a candy cane is very symbolic for Christmas. You might hang them on your trees at home. A candy cane reminds us about what Christmas is all about, or who Christmas is all about. And of course, it's all about Jesus Christ. And we remember this on the candy cane because it makes a J shape. We also remember that Jesus came to earth to die on the cross, where his blood was shed to wash away all of our sins, symbolized by the red on the candy cane. And if we come to God in faith of Jesus's perfect birth, life, death and resurrection, his blood will wash all the evil from our hearts, so we will be as white as snow. And then, as long as we follow Jesus, he will be our good shepherd and guide us through life. Also in this fun pack is this wonderful card that has a picture of last year's carol service on it, where you can probably spot some of your friends and family who came last year. And on the back there is a quiz for you to fill in. And the quiz is to spot the elf during the service. So the elf appears 5 times throughout the service. Once you spot him, write the time that you saw him during the service, minutes and seconds, and then put your name and details in. Hand this card back into Noddfa Church and we'll pick a winner, and the winner receives a £20 gift card. If you are watching this video not from your classroom, but you want to play along, please do so. Please spot the elf throughout the service and just email in your answers. So there we go. We wish you all a Merry Christmas. Please enjoy your fun backpacks, but don't open it until the 20th of December at 7 o'clock, where you can suck on your candy cane and remember Jesus and fill out the quiz with a chance to win a £20 gift voucher. Thank you all so much. Happy Christmas, and I'll see you all in the new year and on 7 p.m, 20th of December for our virtual Carols Under the Arch service. Bye.